Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Christmas outfits for your Bitmojis on Snapchat. It's really simple and easy to do. You first want to make sure that you're fully updated on Snapchat. So just head over to your app store and just search for App Store. Open it up and just search for Snapchat. Just make sure you're fully updated on your Snapchat version first to make sure you have the newest version. As you see here, there's no update for my Snapchat, so I'm good to go ahead and open it up. Once you're on Snapchat, just go over to your profile and scroll down to where you see change outfit. It should say new there. So once you click on change outfit, you just want to scroll down and you will see festive, and that's where you will find this year's Christmas filters and outfits for your Bitmoji. So if you guys just click through here, there's a couple different options you could choose from. Pretty cool. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.